Good morning. Here we are taking a look at the infusion pump. So first things first, you need to open the door by taking this latch out, and if you just take that latch out, the door will open. Here the IV set will be coming through this part. Here this is called as the this part is called as the detector. This is a sensor which will detect any air bubbles. If you have any air in here, the movement will stop. And these are the peristaltic hands which will be doing the peristaltic motion. And this is the notch. This is the notch which will open automatically once you switch on the machine. It will move in here. Your IV set should pass through this, and you can, this is the door detector. When it is closed, it will detect the presence of the door. So after that you can close the door like this, and it is closed and it is ready to be switched on. First you need to press long this button which will switch on the machine. It has been switched on. Here it will go through some test, but you can start the machine as soon as you are ready. So here, as you can see, that it has drops per minute, rate ml per hour, and times in hours per minute, and volume to be infused, that is shown in ml. So next things is, this is the button with which you can move the cursor up and down on the various modes like this. So when you are moving it, you can do the thing accordingly. Fine. So I'll rather than showing you all the things, I'll show you that how it is, what is the rate ml per hour. So it is showing that we have to induce 100 ml per hour. This would be the speed, and it will take, with that it is showing that as 5. So what does that mean? As we have 500 ml to be infused and the rate is 100 ml per hour, there will be the time taken by this machine will be 5 hours. So you can change the time, and so I have changed the time to 2 hours. So if I change that, volume to be infused has been changed to 200 ml per hour. So I need 500 ml only. So I'm doing this. So it has changed to 500 only. So why it is happening is because we haven't changed the rate. So if you change the rate first, now if I change it to 500, now see the time has automatically come down to 1 hour. So the volume to be infused is 500 ml, but now it has calculated the drop rate by its own. So keep this in mind whenever you have to do the settings. Just go to the rate mode and find the rate what you have to induce, and after the rate you just go to the time. If you just rate and volume to be infused, if these are the only two parameters which will you set, it will calculate the rest of the same things on its own, and it will be very much helpful. And after that you also have a body weight mode. Now when you enter the body weight mode, now again you will be confused that what I have to do and why you need to do. So just you have some selections from this end. I'll focus it on here. So it is giving you all the things. Every mode is given. For example, first one is grams per kg per minute. The second one is milligrams per kg per minute. So if you only select that mode, it will do the thing accordingly. I'll just, when I came back over here and I'm selecting 5 when it is in the body weight mode. Okay, now first I have to select OK. It will start and I will select it as 0, 5. So as you can see, it has changed to 5 over here, and then it will do the things accordingly. And apart from that, we have this, it is called as a bolus mode. If you are pressing it will do the same function of the bolus button. It will start infusing the drug at the maximum pace. I'll just press the long press it, and if at all the vein is blocked, it will purge the machine as well. So first of all, I'll start it. As we do not have an IV, it is not starting, and we have this as occlusion, low, medium and high. Occlusion is the it will detect the blockage of the needle or IV set, or if at all there is some kind of twisting in the IVs. So by that it will rate I'm setting as 100. So next time will be 5. This is there. And occlusion is low, medium and high. It has some certain pressures which will detect it, and if at all, I'll just give it a start. It has detected the air because we haven't put any IV set. It is detecting the air. I will try to open the door, and if at all it is detecting some air over here, it is giving you an air alarm. So I'll close the door for now, and I'll try to stop it again, and we'll try to start it again. Now I can again hear. So what I will do is I'll press this button. So you can hear that it is purging. So it will be moving with the highest velocity rate. So the peristaltic motion will be carried out. So it is going the door open alarm. So again I have closed the door. Now it is purging again. So I'll stop the purge. I have stopped the purge. These are the only things you have to take care. And this is a switch off button. It will be a long press to switch it off. You will need a long press. It has switched off. So these are the all things you need to know about an infusion pump. Thank you.